SBEV Stock Monday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end, find out. So Splash Beverage Group stock has been sitting at 23 cents and it is like 35% up. In the way that I'm just observing this, man, it just absolutely, yeah, it's been going down. Although this seems like it's up and whatnot, everything is wow. The reality is we're coming down from this supply. Now, for context, I have done 34,000 videos over the last 4 years, spent thousands of dollars, course mentorships, documented everything, blah, 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 all that good stuff. But SBEV still has to break with a full candle close above 31 cents in order for me to count this as a bullish trend. And I really, really mean it. So, yeah. If I see a double break here, then and only then I'll take things lower. Everything else, pure noise. So that's how SBEV looks like for me. So look at this. Political information bar here. And in the meantime, all I will keep doing is I'll just keep waiting. So that's about it. That's how SBEV looks like. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple and way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.